happy 7th birthday, Bibi Crisel. Good health and galingan mo lalo sa school and then more blessing pa sa family mo. Ninang always there, ha?
Natin si Ate PJ. Alright.
Happy birthday, Elsie. Always do your best on ACADS, and I hope this special milestone brings you love, happiness, and unforgettable memories.
Alright, maraming salamat. Bagay na po natin si Ate Johnny.
Happy birthday, Elsie.
Nakaka-touch po yun, mami, ha?
Happy birthday, Hana. Sana maging part of presentation mo yung gift ko sa'yo. Happy birthday, Lord.
Pwede si Tito Dex.
Happy birthday, Elsie! Happy birthday! Sana napatuloy mo yung mga activity mo na ginagawa sa pag-aaral and then napatuloy mo yung pagiging hula hoopers.
Maraming salamat, Tito Dex.
Happy birthday, Hana! Ay! Elsie! Happy birthday! Mag-aaral ka mabuti at sana lumaki ka ng mabuti. Salamat.
Alright, then that will be our 7 gifts